A few years ago, I was on a business seminar in which there were hundreds of people. From solopreneurs to CEOs, everyone was having a good time and learning from each other. I remember wanting to talk to someone who sold products on Amazon. I really admired him because he was kind of famous in my country. To my surprise, he was super kind and completely fun to be around. One of the things that impacted me the most was that he was eagerly waiting for the next speaker at the seminar. He told me that the next speaker was the master of sales and persuasion, and that if I wanted to make more friends and be more likable, then I needed to pay very close attention to the next speaker. I thought, wow, the next speaker must be amazing if that's what this guy thinks about him. A couple of minutes later, this speaker took the stage and the crowd went nuts. Let me tell you, his presentation completely blew my mind. But there was something that he said that has been marked in my mind forever, and it completely changed how I see human interactions. He said this: people will do anything for those who encourage their dreams, justify their failures, allay their fears, confirm their suspicions, and help them throw rocks at their enemies. I've applied this wisdom in my life, and I can tell you that it works. This phrase has helped me improve my existing friendships, enlarge my social network, and it has even helped me in my dating life. So today, I want to help you by breaking down each key component of this marvelous phrase. The first key point is encouraging the dreams of others. It's a fact that most people struggle with low self-confidence. Even worse, at some point, we all have thought that we are not capable of achieving the things we want the most. Be assured that every single person you meet feels the exact same way. That's why encouraging people and assuring them that they can achieve what they most want will inevitably make them like you more. You can't avoid liking people who think you are good enough or capable enough to reach your dreams. If so, make sure to encourage the dreams and goals of others. The second key point is justifying the failures of others. Whatever type of failure we face, we would like to take the responsibility off our shoulders. It sucks to be reminded that we did something that caused us pain. It's not fun to realize that failure was our fault. In these scenarios, we instantly look for people or things to blame outside of ourselves. It doesn't matter whether this is useful or not, it's just a fact. We don't like to be the ones to blame. That's why, whenever you see someone who feels sad about something, make sure to take that burden off their shoulders. Most failures occur due to our internal beliefs that come from the beliefs of others. There are also countless external factors that influence any result. For that reason, if you see someone deeply hurting and struggling, take that weight off their shoulders by justifying their situation with an external factor. The third key point is relieving the fears of others. What are you afraid of? Talking to beautiful women? Being rejected by your friends? Failing your classes? Well, rest assured that everyone in the planet has the same fears as you have. The best way to capitalize on the fears of others to get them to like you is to help them by reducing their fears. Usually, a pat on the back and encouraging words are enough. The next time someone feels afraid, put your hand on their shoulder and tell them, "Don't worry, you can do it," or whatever is appropriate. The key is to give them hope that they can overcome their fears. You can also offer them support and tell them empowering stories of other people who have overcome the exact same fear. The fourth key point is confirming the suspicions of others. It's a fact that most people want to create a positive change in their life, but they also feel that there's something holding them back. They feel that there's something that they don't recognize that's blocking their positive change. They feel stuck and they don't know why. The best thing you can do when someone feels suspicious is to agree with them. The second best thing you can do is to tell them how you overcame the same feelings. People will like you more simply by validating their feelings of distrust. For example, if your friend can't seem to lose weight and he starts doubting his diet, then you can agree with him and he will instantly like you more. So the next time you find someone who seems doubtful, make sure to confirm those doubts. The fifth key point is throwing rocks at their enemies. Nothing bonds people like having a common enemy. This enemy doesn't have to be a person. It can be a set of beliefs, situations, and institutions. If you want people to like you more, then make sure to be on their side against their enemy and to help them beat it. By the way, if you struggle with your people skills and don't have any friends or girlfriend and feel completely lonely, then this will definitely interest you. You possess a trait called neuroplasticity. This is your brain's natural capacity to learn and develop any skill you want. This also goes for social and romantic skills. If you want to discover the secret process to successfully developing new skills, then make sure to sign up for my free Skillshare class. It will teach you how to use your brain to its full potential to achieve any goal you have. Want a girlfriend? This course will help you. Want to quit a bad habit? This course will help you. Want more friends? This course will help you. Just click the link in the description and sign up for free. If this video provided you with value, please leave a good thumbs up to support the channel.